The New Road, page 19, lesson 1, reading. This is a man. This is a woman. This is a boy. This is a girl. This is a book. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a chair. This is a table. This is a clock. Page 20. This is a horse. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a train. This is a car. Is a pig. This is a ship. This is a tree. This is a hammer. This is a nail. Page 21. This is a man. Is this a man? Questions and answers. Is this a man? Yes, this is a man. Is this a woman? Yes, this is a woman. Is this a boy? Yes, this is a boy. Is this a girl? Yes, this is a girl. Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. Is this a pencil? Yes, this is a pencil. Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Is this a clock? Yes, this is a clock. Is this a horse? Yes, this is a horse. Is this a cat? Yes, this is a cat. Is this a dog? Yes, this is a dog. Is this a train? Yes, this is a train. Is this a car? Yes, this is a car. Is this a pig? Yes, this is a pig. Is this a ship? Yes, this is a ship. Is this a tree? Yes, this is a tree. Page 22. Is this a hammer? Yes, this is a hammer. Is this a nail? Yes, this is a nail. Is this a man? No, this is not a man. Is this a woman? No, this is not a woman. Is this a boy? No, this is not a boy. Is this a girl? No, this is not a girl. Is this a book? No, this is not a book. Is this a pen? No, this is not a pen. Is this a pencil? No, this is not a pencil. Is this a chair? No, this is not a chair. Is this a table? No, this is not a table. Is this a clock? No, this is not a clock. Is this a horse? No, this is not a horse. Is this a cat? No, this is not a cat. Is this a dog? No, this is not a dog. Is this a train? No, this is not a train. Is this a car? No, this is not a car. Is this a pig? No, this is not a pig. Is this a ship? No, this is not a ship. Is this a tree? No, this is not a tree. Is this a hammer? No, this is not a hammer. Page 23. Is this a nail? No, this is not a nail.